Hello everyone, this is Imran. I am an English trainer, English mentor. I will teach you here English speaking. So let's start now. Now the first question is why we should learn English speaking. What are the benefit of this language? This is the first question everyone has come in the mind. So everybody think why we should learn this language. The answer is very simple. As you know, English is an international language. It is spoken in the each and every corner of the world. So this is the reason that English is most important for the everyone. Suppose you want to make your career in abroad, you want to settle down in abroad, you want to get job in abroad, so you should have good command over the English. If you have good command over the English, you can go in America, Australia, Canada like country and make your career there, and you can earn a lot of money also there. If we talk about our country, in our country everyone knows that in the government sector there is a big crisis of job. So we have only the one option remain to go in private sector like multinational companies. But if you want to get job in the multinational company, you should also have good command over the English. If you can speak English, you can get their job. Otherwise, you will be disqualified during the interview if you can't reply the answer in English. So the English is really very important for the everyone. By the English you can make your career. So this is the big benefit. And also suppose if you are living in your area and you speak English fluently, so of course your society, your area's people will appreciate you. You will be called a genius person. So there are the multi benefits of this language. Now the question is how to learn English language. What is the right manner to learn this language or any language? Answer is very simple. And answer is practice. By practicing you can learn any language. If you think you can learn English or any language by the grammar, by the rules, my dear friends, forget, you can't learn. If you want to learn any language, if you want to learn any speaking language, you have to do practice. And practice means listening and speaking. So listening and speaking are the L and S. L and S are the main key to learn English language. Listening and speaking. This is the main key to learn any language of the world. If you want to learn any language, listening and speaking. And listening and speaking, how it will come? You have to make some friend circle, friend group. Then you can learn. Suppose your friend are speaking in English and you are listening them. You will listen 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. Slowly and slowly, after observing, you will observe to your friend and you will start English speaking. You will be able after some time. So friends, listening and speaking is only the way, only the right way to learn any kind of the language of this world. I tell you a story. I made it hypothetically. So suppose in your area two family live. One family Christian family, and one is Hindu family. Hindu family means, or you can say where Hindi is spoken. Christian family, you can say where English is spoken. English is spoken family and Hindi spoken family. Hindi spoken family. Suppose same day every family one baby born. One baby here born and one baby here born. I mean both family same day a baby born. What happened? I tell you, after 5 years, after 5 years, when both baby will become the 5-year-old, I think, as you know, a 5-year-old baby can express himself, can speak. So suppose both baby are thirsty. Christian family baby thirsty, Hindu family thirsty. Hindu family where Hindi is spoken, he is thirsty. What he will say? He will say, माँ पानी चाहिए. He will say माँ पानी चाहिए. अगर suppose he is feeling thirsty and he asks water, so he will say माँ पानी चाहिए. And the Christian family baby where English is spoken, in Christian family they speak in English. So the English baby, what he will say if suppose he is feeling thirsty? What he will say? He will say, Mom, I need water. Why? English family baby, Christian family baby where English is spoken, he demand water in English. What is this? Why? Because he observed their parents, he observed their family member. In their family member, English is spoken. Father is spoken, mother is spoken, grandma is spoken, and other family member live in their house. Everyone speaks in English. So the baby observed to all of them, and slowly he speaks in English. He learned English language very easily. Not need here the grammar, not need here the rules for that baby. He speaks English without any rules, without any teacher. So this is the reason. You just can also learn this language by the listening and speaking. If you listen, you speak. listen and speak. Someone is speaking in English in front of you. You will observe him slowly and slowly. Sometime after sometimes you will also speak in English. I want to tell you here in Hindi. Suppose मैंने बताया आपको दो बच्चे, एक क्रिश्चियन फैमिली में बच्चा पैदा होता है और एक हिंदू फैमिली है में यहाँ जहाँ पे हिंदी बोली जाती है वहाँ पैदा होता है। तो 5 साल के बाद क्या होता है कि जो जहाँ पे इंग्लिश बोली जाती है, क्रिश्चियन फैमिली का जो बेबी होता है वो इंग्लिश में पानी मांगता है क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश फैमिली में था, और जो हिंदू फैमिली में था जहाँ हिंदी बोली जाती है वहाँ बेटा जो होता है 5 साल के बाद, जब उसकी 5 साल की एज हो जाती है तो वो हिंदी में मांगता है। वो क्या कहता है? माँ पानी चाहिए। जो ये कहता है मॉम आई नीड वाटर। वाई? क्यों? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि माहौल, क्योंकि जहाँ पे जो लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है वो वही बेबी भी सीखता है। बेबी उसको ऑब्जर्व करता है, उसको फॉलो करता है। तो ये बेबी जहाँ पे इंग्लिश बोली गई उसने इंग्लिश को फॉलो किया, उसने इंग्लिश की नकल उतारी और वो सीखा इंग्लिश। और ये जहाँ पे हिंदी बोली जाती थी हिंदी में उसने सीखा, हिंदी भाषा को सुना और सुन के उसको ऑब्जर्व करा और हिंदी बोलना उसने सीख लिया। यानी कि किसी रूल्स की, किसी ग्रामर की, किसी चीज़ की आवश्यकता नहीं हुई। तो अगर आपको इंग्लिश भाषा सीखना है तो आपको भी यही करना होगा, आपको भी सुनना होगा। जितना आप सुनेंगे अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर्स को, आप उनको धीरे धीरे नकल करेंगे, धीरे धीरे आप उनको कॉपी करेंगे और एक दिन आप भी इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाएंगे। बस यही एक मूल मंत्र है किसी भी भाषा को सीखने का। तो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए